Hey guys, it's Najam. Just pardon the mess for a bit. I do have a new lens and I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and the first impressions. So I got this for the Lumix S9. This is the 40mm f2 autofocus. Okay, let's get this out of the box. So I don't usually do lens reviews and I'm not planning on reviewing this lens, but if you do have any questions to ask. Okay, let's get this out of the box. So here it is. Ta-da! Okay, so let's take a closer look. It's much smaller than the 50mm. I know it's a bit stupid even thinking about comparing those, but this is, let me just take this off. So here's the Sigma 20 to 200. Here is TTartisans. That's okay. I think it's because of the lens cap. It's a bit big, but when you take it off, that's a decent size. That's pretty small. Ta-da! So here it is. It's kind of cute, actually. That's a bit stiff. I think that might loosen up. Leave it on auto for now. It is kind of cute, actually. So this would be my portable sort of setup. It's 40mm. So this is a really good walk around lens. It's like general purpose. It's pretty good for that. Now I have been using the 50mm and I have no issues with this. This is an amazing lens. It's certified by Leica, by the way, which I think some people know. This has amazing images. Now I thought I wanted something a bit smaller, so when I'm just going out without my camera bag or my bag or something, I can have this. Ta-da! Okay, best put on manual focus. Oh. The closest is about 1,000,000 miles away. Okay, let's switch that back to autofocus. Okay, that's not too bad actually. Okay, so I'll play around with this, and this is, I think this is gonna be really cool. It's gonna fit in my pocket as well. So instead of getting the Ricoh GR3X or something, you can get this lens. Now I know the IQ at f2 is not the best, but at f2.8, which is just right next door, just a few clicks, it sharpens up a lot. So that's pretty nice. So if you do have any questions, do ask me, because I know the S9 is a small camera, so that's why I kind of wanted it. A small lens. I think this suits this camera really well. Here's the 20 to 200 size comparison. Obviously, is much bigger, but this is a super zoom, and then you have a pro lens, which is just ginormous. So I'll leave it here, and I'll see you guys in another video.